And there's Twinkle Toes. Move the plastic, Monica, so I don't have to see it. There's Twinkle Toes. And there's Sunny, who's a dark Brahma. There's Rocky, who already came out. And Brownie's the only one left. I think she's going to wait, because Rocky is always chasing after them. There comes Brownie. They're what?
They're black.
What's black?
Brownie's feet are black. So I'm going to repeat it.
So, well, I'm going to change their bedding. And there are the sheep. Wouldn't you know it, I recharged this battery, and now it's showing me that there are the sheep that are part of the property. Okay. These are our hens. We don't have a lot of time left on this footage because our battery signal is coming on. But that's their house that we built for them. There's 2 areas. We'll get this stuff off so you can see the way it looks. That's just to protect the rain from falling through this crevice here, because when they're both closed, there's like a crevice where the rain can go in. And then this is where the hens live. They live in there, and the boy lives on the other side of that little fence, so he has a different opening. We bring them warm water every morning, and places usually full of their poop. We bring them